Hello friends, if you are searching how to delete Smule account, so today you are at right place. Today I am going to tell you how you can delete your Smule account on Android, only in some easy steps. All steps you can see on your screen, so let's get started. To delete Smule account on Android. As an Android user in Smule, you can delete your account by submitting a deletion request. Go to on this URL as shown on your screen. Link is in video description box. Once you are on this page, choose the Remove Smule Profile, Account Deletion option when submitting a request and select a reason from the drop-down menu. Once you submit the request, you will receive an email with the subject line "Please confirm that you'd like to delete your Smule account." Reply to the email saying "I confirm." And you are done. But please note, deletion will happen after 30 days of your submission. If you would like to have your account reactivated after requesting deletion from within the app, contact us at support@smule.com as soon as possible. Reactivation can be requested only if your account is currently in the process of deletion. Once deleted, a Smule account cannot be restored. Deleting your account is irreversible, and all content will be removed in the process and cannot be restored. Content includes recordings created by others utilizing arrangements you uploaded to our systems. Only by using this method, you can delete Smule account. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.